everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. All right, so before I get started, a couple of things I wanted to tell you. So for those of you who are on Facebook and on Instagram, you would have probably seen this post. Do you guys remember the 16 by 40 inch that I did with the navy blue, phthalo blue, Prussian phthalo blue base, and it had the luminous rose and some gold in it? I'll put the picture of it right here. So the lovely client of mine who commissioned that piece, she ordered it to give to her daughter, who is a casting, I'm not sure if she's a casting director, but she does casting for the show Schitt's Creek. And she won an Emmy Award in 2019-2020. And so when my client came to my home the other day to pick up the painting, she brought the Emmy with her. It was the most coolest thing I've ever seen. I kid you not. And so she brought it in this massive box, and it was like, had silk on the inside, and the actual Emmy Award was huge. It was so big and heavy. So she wanted me to take pictures with the Emmy and the painting and me. So I shall put those pictures here for you guys to see, for those of you who are not on Facebook and on Instagram. But it was the coolest thing ever to actually see and hold one of these prestigious awards, in my hands. It was super cool. So I was like, it was very exciting. Call me a nerd, call me weird, but it was exciting. So that was the first thing I wanted to mention, and super neat. So thank you, Lenny, for bringing that up, and congratulations to her daughter, Lisa, for winning that amazing, amazing award. What an accomplishment. Okay, the next thing I wanted to mention is, don't forget, I do have calendars that are available for purchase. Let's see, I'll show you a different picture for a change. Which one shall I show you? Ooh, let's show you June. So this is June, okay? So calendars are available for purchase, 2022 calendars. You can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com to order yours. The other thing, in my last video, you guys saw all the pieces that were available for purchase, including resin pieces. I wanted to say a quick thank you because half of that stuff is gone. So in a matter of 2 days, I've sold half of everything that I had, which was so amazing. So thank you so much to everybody who purchased something. I spent the whole morning and afternoon today packing everything up and getting it ready to ship it out. So thank you to everyone. There still are some pieces available. So if you want to see what's available, check out my previous video, shoot me an email, and I'll let you know if it's up for grabs or not. The last thing I wanted to mention super quick is KRYSTAL Resin is having a sale on their US Amazon site. Okay, so on US Amazon only, you can get KRYSTAL Resin with a discount. Okay, there will be an option where you can click the little box and check it off, and you can either get $3 off, or you can get, I believe it's $5 off, depending on what you buy. I will have the links so that you don't have to sit there and look for it. I will put the exact links in the description below. And if I remember, I will put it in the comments as well, and I'll pin the comment to the top. That way you can find it easily. So for those of you in the US, you can get some KRYSTAL Resin with a little bit of a discount. So now would be a good time to get some KRYSTAL Resin. Okay, so I think that's all I wanted to mention. Yep, I think so. Okay, my last video, you guys saw me do the browns with the gold and that. I did enjoy the colors. I did overdo it on the 24 karat gold. I don't like the way I blew it out. It was the first time I've ever done that type of blowout. So I've been reading all your comments. Half of you said you love it. Half of you said, great job for trying a different blowout. Half of you said it's nice, but go back to your Dutch pours. So I agree with all your comments. And I will do those browns again, but with my regular wispies. And I'll do that in an upcoming video. But in the meantime, for today's video, I want to try one more time. I'm gonna try one more time. I'm gonna tweak it a little bit because I think the way I did it last time with just squiggling a bunch of different colors and doing squiggly lines all over the base here didn't work out. So I'm gonna do it a little bit differently, and I'm gonna try it with my favorite colors, and we'll see how that goes, okay? So let's try that today. I am working on an 8 by 24 inch canvas. Now, Michaels, at least here in Canada, does not sell 8 by 24 inch. I bought this canvas from, I believe it was Desserts in Ottawa, and it's called Apollon Gotrick. So this is what it is from Desserts, okay? They're not my favorite canvases, I'm not gonna lie, okay? They're not the greatest. They are stapled on the back. They are gallery wrapped. They are thick. Here, let me show you. I've got another one. So they're stapled on the back, okay? But they are the thick 1.5 inch. It's just they're stapled on the back. And I'm not crazy about that, but I cannot get 8 by 24 inch at Michaels. Now, what you can get as well, and I believe I got these from Curry's, but you can get 8 by 24 and it's Winsor Newton. And these are also stapled, but you see how much different it is. It's nice, it's neat, it's clean, right? It's not, the canvas isn't hanging over, and it comes with wedges, which is great. So you can also get this at Curry's if you are in Canada, okay? Wanted to show you guys those. Okay, so tonight's colors, the base is going to be Amsterdam's Turquoise Green. However, I mixed it with white because I wanted it to be a nice light, I guess, minty color. I don't know what you want to call it. No, it's Tiffany. That's what it is. It's Tiffany color. You know, like Tiffany, the jewelry and whatever. Yeah, that's what that looks like. So I did lighten it up with Amsterdam's titanium white, okay? I did mostly white, and I added a little bit of the turquoise, you know, until I got the color and the shade that I wanted. Keeping in mind, this will dry darker when it's dry. So, you know, if you think it's too light, don't worry, because it will dry a little darker. So when you're mixing your own paints. All right, so the colors I'm going to use to blow out, we will do Turquoise Blue by Amsterdam. Then we have Phthalo Turquoise by Holbein. Phthalo Turquoise by Holbein. Then I'm going to use Silver by Amsterdam. I got some paint on my bottle. Okay, there we go. Silver by Amsterdam. And then topping it off, we've got Winsor Violet by Winsor & Newton. So those are my pretty colors. This is my pretty base. So that is what we are doing today. So let's hope that it works out. So I've got my stir stick here, which is my reusable stir stick. This one is from Lowly Veffy. You can find them on the Lowly Veffy website, lowlyveffy.com. Same with the squeeze bottles. And you can save 10% on the Lowly Veffy website using code Kanella10. So you can also get the silicone mats as well. And all my paints in my squeeze bottles are mixed according to video number 63. For those of you who are new watching, you can check out video number 63. I will link it up here at the top. That will explain to you how I mix my paints and what my ratios are. All right, so I am going to flood my canvas, and I'm going to speed you guys up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have flooded the canvas. I have popped all the air bubbles. So, you know, typically from what I've seen, you leave this bottom part, you know, white. You don't cover it with the base, but I'm going to change it up a bit and I'm going to do it like a normal Dutch pour that I do. I'm just going to pile all the colors down here at the bottom and blow it up. So that's what I'm going to do. I still haven't figured out how I'm going to lay the colors though. So that's going to be interesting. Like, I mean, I could just do some lines going across like as if I normally would. I wasn't really thinking now, was I? Shoot. Let's see here. I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I didn't actually put any thought into that. I guess I should have, really. Yeah, I totally did not put any thought into that. I'm not really sure what on earth I'm doing right now. Actually, I wasn't even supposed to be painting tonight. I should have put a blue line here. I was supposed to be painting tomorrow, but I was really excited to try this. So I wanted to see how it was going to work out. Now, I don't know if this is enough paint to go up far enough. I mean, how far is far enough though, right? I guess it's kind of preference, really. How far do you want this to go? Is the question. Wow, this blue, what is it? Phthalo turquoise is gorgeous. Okay, I don't know. I really don't know. If I mess it up, I can't redo it because I don't have any more turquoise. So it is what it is. So I'm going to just blow up, and anything that is not covered here at the bottom, I will blow it with my mouth to get it to where I want it to go. So wish me luck, and let's see what happens with this one. Okay, I'm not blowing anymore with the hairdryer because I don't want it to get too muddy and too messy. Now the rest I'm going to have to work on with my mouth, and I could use the world's smallest whatever, but I'm not going to. Once again, the bottom is stunning, but every time I blow up to the top, it kind of doesn't, you know, look the way I normally want it to. So let me play with the bottom first. It's so pretty down here. I really love it. I love these colors. Wow. All right. I'm going to add, what do I want to add? What's this? The turquoise? Yeah, I'm gonna add some turquoise here. And I think the phthalo blue. And let's see where we get with that. I'm really glad I did that. I'm gonna do that on this side now. That looks so pretty. Okay, I can't touch this because if I add any color here and I try and blow, it's gonna go further into the negative space, and I don't want that to happen. So I'm going to put a little more color here. I think I wanna put, I don't see much silver except for over here. So let me add a dash, I guess I better open the lid. Some silver. There's purple there. I guess I could add a little bit of that. And I really do love this dark blue. Okay, I'm not gonna torch it because I don't want like everything else to get torched. So let's work with that. Oh, I love it. I'm really, really liking this. I still don't like the actual technique, like blowing it out from down here. It's not horrible. It's just not what I'm used to. And if I had done this with a regular Dutch pour, which I'm probably gonna have to do now because the colors are so nice, it would just be, I love this color. This color is amazing. So I really like that. So I'm gonna have to do this again with my wispies and a Dutch pour. So now I gotta do 2 more paintings. There, I'm just trying to add like some definition there. I think I'm gonna try that over here too. Okay, aside from fixing my edges, which I shall do later, I really love the colors. And I'm glad I didn't go too far up. I'm really liking the negative space. In fact, you know what? I wonder what it would be like if I added some color here and blew it in the corner. I don't know what I should do. Should I leave it? You guys can't answer me, so I guess that doesn't really help much. Okay, I'm going to fix my edges and I'm gonna bring you guys down for a close-up. Okay, everybody, I have fixed my edges. I've already scraped my drips. So let's look at this up close. I really love the bottom of this. Actually, I really love the whole piece. And it's probably because of the colors, which are my favorite. And of course, my camera doesn't seem to be showing the true colors. There's a lot of turquoise in this from the, what is it? Turquoise Blue by Amsterdam. But it's showing blue in my camera, which is unfortunate. And the purple's not as vibrant in the camera either. But it's really pretty. I don't know if there's going to be much shimmer in here because there's only the silver that was metallic. But let's turn the lights off. I know there's going to be some there, but let's see. Hold on. All right, so here it is with the flash on. Now, I'm not sure there's... Oh, yeah, no, look, there is. There's some shimmer. Okay, no, we're good. There's definite shimmer. So that's obviously the only part is because of the silver. Because none of these other colors had a metallic to them. But it's definitely in the whole piece. That is for sure. Really, really, it's really pretty. Look at that. So this will get a coat of crystal resin when it is dry. All right, let's turn the lights back on. So there you have it, everybody. I would love to know what you think about this in the comments below. Odds are of me doing another one of these are slim to none. It's just not my thing. I think it's pretty. I really do like it. I just think this would have looked so much cooler and so much nicer with my regular wispies and my nice petals of a Dutch pour. So I'm going to go back to that and I'm going to try these colors with a regular Dutch pour. But let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. It is available for purchase. If anyone is interested in this piece, you can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com and you can purchase this piece. Don't forget calendars and everything else you can find is in the description below. The links for the crystal resin for Amazon US, I'll put below and I'll try to remember to put it in the comments as well. So that is it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.